A symphony of skill, the hidden talents of our animal companions. Hello and welcome. I am Ma, and it is my profound pleasure to guide you through a world brimming with astonishing intelligence and heartwarming devotion. Today we embark on a journey not to the distant wilderness, but into our very homes, to witness the remarkable capabilities of the creatures who share our lives. These are not mere pets, they are individuals with minds keen to learn, spirits eager to please, and an often surprising capacity for understanding and executing complex tasks. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer ingenuity on display. The bond between humans and animals is an ancient one, a tapestry woven with threads of companionship, trust, and mutual understanding. Through patience, positive reinforcement, and a deep appreciation for their innate abilities, we can encourage them to perform feats that delight and astound. This is more than just training. It's a dialogue, a dance of cooperation that strengthens the connection we share. Let the spectacle of smart pets in action begin. Dogs are geniuses. Look how they follow commands. Here, in the familiar setting of a sun-dappled park, we observe the domestic dog, a creature whose partnership with humankind stretches back millennia. Watch closely as this border collie, a breed renowned for its intellect, responds with breathtaking precision to its human companion's cues. A subtle hand gesture, a softly spoken word, and the dog launches into a sequence of actions, each performed with an enthusiasm that is simply infectious. Observe this Labrador retriever patiently waiting for the command to fetch. Its eyes are locked on its owner, every muscle coiled in anticipation. The signal is given, and with an explosion of joyous energy, it retrieves the ball, not merely as a game but as an act of shared purpose. Consider the intricate dance of an agility trial. Here, dogs navigate a complex obstacle course, leaping over hurdles, weaving through poles, traversing narrow walkways, and plunging into tunnels. This requires not only physical prowess, but also an acute understanding of sequential commands and spatial awareness. Beyond the playful and the athletic, canine intelligence serves humanity in profound ways. Service dogs, for instance, undergo extensive training to assist individuals with disabilities, performing tasks that require incredible discernment and reliability. From guiding the visually impaired to alerting to medical emergencies, these animals showcase a level of understanding and responsibility that is truly humbling. The secret to unlocking this remarkable potential lies not in dominance, but in partnership. Positive reinforcement, a well-timed treat, an enthusiastic word of praise, a joyful pat. These are the keys that open the canine mind. Cats don't obey? Think again. The domestic cat. Often perceived as aloof, independent, perhaps even a touch disdainful of our human endeavors to impart instruction. The common refrain is that cats, unlike their canine counterparts, simply do not do tricks. But is this truly the case? Or have we perhaps misunderstood the subtle, more nuanced intelligence of these graceful predators? Let us observe more closely, for the feline mind holds many surprises for those patient enough to look. Food rewards, playful interaction, and a respect for their independent nature can yield astonishing results. Here, a sleek Siamese demonstrates a perfect high five, its paw gently tapping its owner's hand, not out of blind obedience but as a learned transaction, a delightful piece of interspecies communication. Consider the incredible agility and problem-solving skills inherent in their predatory nature. Watch as this ginger tabby navigates a miniature obstacle course, leaping gracefully over tiny hurdles and weaving through small cones, all for the reward of a favored treat or the satisfying click of a training device. This is not coercion, it is an engagement of their natural athleticism and intelligence, a game that stimulates both mind and body. The myth of the untrainable cat often stems from a misunderstanding of their social structure and learning style. Unlike pack-oriented dogs, cats are solitary hunters by nature, which means their cooperation is earned, not demanded. They respond best to short, engaging training sessions filled with positive reinforcement. So, while they may not always wear their intelligence on their furry sleeves with the same exuberance as dogs, cats are undeniably smart, capable, and yes, trainable. Chapter 3. Beyond the familiar, unexpected intellects of the animal kingdom, these animals are smarter than you think. Our exploration of animal intelligence now takes us beyond the familiar companions of cat and dog, into a realm where surprising intellects reside in creatures often underestimated. Consider the parrot, a bird whose vibrant plumage is matched only by its remarkable cognitive abilities. Species like the African grey are renowned not just for their capacity to mimic human speech, but to understand context and use language meaningfully. Here, one such individual engages in what can only be described as a rudimentary conversation, requesting specific items or commenting on its surroundings. Then there are the corvids, crows, ravens, and jays, birds whose somber feathers belie a dazzling intelligence. Scientists have documented these birds using tools, solving multi-step puzzles, and even exhibiting what appears to be forward planning. Observe this crow, carefully bending a piece of wire to create a hook, which it then uses to retrieve a tasty morsel from a narrow tube. Venturing into the world of rodents, often dismissed or overlooked, we find creatures like the humble rat. These animals, when given the opportunity, display remarkable learning capabilities. They can navigate complex mazes, learn to press levers in specific sequences for rewards, and even show empathy towards their cage mates. Even in the world of smaller pets such as rabbits or guinea pigs, intelligence can shine through with the right encouragement. Rabbits, for example, can be litter trained with relative ease and can even learn to respond to their names or perform simple tricks like coming when called or navigating small agility courses designed for them. The lesson here is one of humility and open-mindedness. Chapter 4: A Tapestry of Talent Celebrating Our Animal Stars. As our journey through this gallery of animal ingenuity draws to a close, let us pause and reflect on the sheer diversity of talent we have witnessed. Each creature, from the most boisterous dog to the most contemplative cat, from the chatty parrot to the resourceful rodent, has offered us a glimpse into its unique world, a world rich with cognitive ability and a surprising capacity for learning. What we have seen is not mere conditioning, but a genuine engagement of minds, a testament to the intelligence that pervades the animal kingdom. The common thread weaving through all these remarkable displays is the power of positive interaction. Whether it's a clicker and a treat, an encouraging word, or a joyful game, the foundation of this learning is built on trust and mutual enjoyment. These animals are not performing out of fear, but out of a willingness to collaborate, to understand, and to share a moment of connection with their human companions. Consider the focus in the eyes of a dog navigating an agility course, the delicate precision of a cat offering a paw, the clever manipulation of objects by a bird or a pig. These are moments of intense concentration, of problem-solving in action. The joy evident in these interactions is palpable. Chapter 5: Echoes of Ingenuity, A Lasting Impression. We have been privileged today to witness an extraordinary array of talent, a vibrant showcase of animal intelligence that often goes uncelebrated in our daily lives. From the intricate commands followed by devoted dogs to the surprising compliance of cunning cats, and the unexpected brilliance of birds and other clever creatures, the message is clear. The animal mind is a place of wonder, capable of remarkable learning and deep connection. These are not just tricks. They are expressions of understanding, cooperation, and the unique personalities of each individual animal we've seen. The foundation for all these amazing feats, as we've observed, is the positive and patient bond formed between animal and human. It's a relationship built on trust, clear communication, and the joy of shared achievement. This journey has hopefully illuminated not only what our animal companions can do, but also how these abilities are nurtured through kindness and understanding. The intelligence was always there. The training simply provided a language through which it could be expressed and celebrated, enriching the lives of both the teacher and the learner. Thank you for joining us on this delightful exploration. Like and subscribe for more.